Welcome back, guys. So we're working on 2008 Ford Taurus SEL, and this will help you to fix such issue with any Ford. Uh, I would say, like, a vehicle such as Explorer, Ford Taurus. It could be same for the Fusion and Mercury Sable XYZ. So with time, what happens is, well, what we're working on is actually the vent actuator, right? So what happens is every time you turn the heat on and you notice there's no heat coming on, it's always blowing a cold air. So the first thing that you want to check, you want to pop your hood open and you want to make sure your hot line is running, your thermostat is doing what they're supposed to do, and your the hoses, they're running the hot the antifreeze or whatever. So what happens is, most common thing that you will notice every time you turn the vents on, like I will do right here, and you will hear a click, 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 click. Let's turn this down this way. It's funny, it's not doing it right now, but every now and then you will hear a click, 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 click. Anyway, well, it's not doing it. There we go. Right, so you will notice that this noise will be coming from behind your dashboard. So you have this dashboard right here. All you gotta do, just push from this side and push from the other end, and it will just drop down. And the white color part that you see, that's the vent actuator. All right, and this is the culprit that causes all that click, 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 and the issue when your air is not coming through all your vents. And the other one is actually here. So you're gonna have to get right underneath your dash right here, and that's the other one right here. They both are same, part numbers are same, everything is same. So it cost me about $39 getting from the dealership. The only tool that you need to remove them is 8mm socket or wrench, whichever you want to use. As you can see, there's two bolts, one on this side, the other one is on the other side. Take them out, remove them. There's a clip right there. You press it down and slide it out, right? And that's how you're gonna swap them. So I'm gonna get to that. In the meantime, let me show you the original part number. This is the Motorcraft part number right here, just for your reference. All right, so what I'm gonna do, first thing, I'm gonna go ahead and change the one on that side, and then I'm gonna get under here. All right, stay tuned. I will be right back. All right, guys, so I got the bolts out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this part out of there. It just gently you pull it out, and now you want to go ahead and detach this power right there. So this is my original vent actuator right here. Somehow it was not working. I really don't see any damages on it, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one, and hopefully it will improve and work the way it's supposed to work. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is my other actuator right here, vent actuator. This is from the doorman, just in case, and this is the part number for your reference if you want to get that from eBay, Amazon, or wherever. All right, so the way it's supposed to be sliding in, there's a flat side, which is this right here. So this is the way it's gonna go, slide in, sits on, and then you hook up the power here, and then you just tied up the bolts. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so it's already tied up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and hook up the power, and we should be back in the business. All right, so this one has been installed successfully. We should not hear any more click, click, click or issues with the vent circulation. Now I'm gonna go on the driver's side and replace the one underneath by the accelerator. All right, guys, so this is the one I just took out from here. All right, and as you can see, it was burned out. It's kind of hot also. Definitely this one was blown. So it's time to go ahead and replace this with the new one. All right, and let me grab my new part. All right, so this is the one we're gonna replace with. Again, this is the original OEM. The one I put on the other side, on the right side, it was from the doorman. This is the original part number right here. All right, just for your reference, you can get it from Amazon, eBay, or direct from the dealership. It may cost you between 30 to 50 bucks depending what the prices they have to offer. So I'm just gonna go ahead, unpack this and install this. Simple way, the way you pulled out, you slide it in, put those two bolts back on, and hook up the wiring. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have installed the new actuator right there, blend motor. All right, so now it's moment of truth. We're gonna turn it on and see if it's working as it should be.
Overall record of 6.
Excuse me. All right, my vents are working. Hot air is coming. Oh yeah. So we are back in business. So this is how you overcome your challenge if you run into no heat. Again, like I said, if you run into that, first thing you want to check under the hood if your thermostat is doing what it's supposed to do, is generating the hot water running through the heater core. Once you have made those tests and you have that clicking sound coming from either here or underneath, you just gotta change your blend motor actuator, and then you should be good to go. I hope this video helped you how to overcome your challenge with the no heat in your Ford, especially Ford Taurus, Mercury Sable, Ford Explorer, Ford Fuzion. It applies to pretty much all the Ford production line. So please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.